very happy new year to all of you. A brand new year, new hopes, and a brand new car. I welcome you all to the launch of the new Audi A4. When you speak about Audi, the first thought that comes to my mind is the ageless design and seamless driving experience that makes each drive a memorable one. What fascinates me more about the brand is the technology that has kept evolving. Audi India had some amazing launches last year. Audi Q8, Audi A8L, Audi RS7, Audi RS Q8 and the Audi Q2. That is 5 big exciting launches in a year under some really extraordinary circumstances. This really stems from the brand ethos. Future is an attitude. The future is the manifestation of our collective attitudes, which is exactly what each and every one of us has done to get past 2020. An unexpected year, and yet one filled with opportunities. Today we stand here in 2021, looking towards the future and building for tomorrow with a big smile on our faces.
We all look at the same world, but we all look at it in a different way. Some see a concept, we see potential. Some just see sheer speed. We see inspirational engineering. Some just see beautiful lines. We see character. Some see a new light. We see a new vision. Some see an interior. We see personal space. Some see a factory. We see progress. Some just see the power. We see the experiences. Some see what's there. We see beyond. Audi.
Audi has something for every personality. It creates a personalized journey every single time that leaves you feeling more comfortable, more relaxed, and more majestic than ever before. And who better than Mr. Balbir Singh Dhillon, the head of Audi India, to tell you more about the brand and this new model. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Balbir Singh Dhillon. Hello.
Hello, Sobhita.
I must tell you, I love Audi as a brand. It's very me.
Thank you, Sobhita. I'm glad you feel that Audi resonates with your personality. As a brand, we are gunning towards being a very progressive and premium brand in India, a brand that resonates with its audience.
I am really excited for this launch, but before we get into that, how has 2020 been for Audi India?
Well, 2020 has been a very tough year for automotive industry and we were no different. Said that, we also had our moments. We had an exciting year with many new product launches. I'm really proud of my team who was standing beside me in launching all these products, my network partners who are our strength, who have been taking care of our customers, and most importantly, our customers who have been standing with the brand all this while. And I'm also happy to share that we've come out of it and we've come out of it strongly.
That's fantastic. I'm sure you had a strategy that backed up your successes.
Absolutely. Nothing works without strategy. So we have been working on Strategy 2025 for a few years. And, this strategy is basis the 4 pillars of strength: customer centricity in the middle of everything, products, digitalization, and network. Basis these 4 pillars of strength, we have been working and making our strides. And I am sure in the times to come, this strategy will take us into different level, and which is only upwards.
That's fantastic. The fact that we are here today at the very start of the year speaks volumes in that direction.
Yes, at this stage, the whole new year that we are looking up for a new lineup of products which are going to come in this year. And the new A4 is the first one that we're launching right now. But you will see many new products coming in. So I'm really excited about this year and many more years to come.
Now coming to the newest launch from Audi, we're going to see the new A4 today. To me, it's quintessentially Audi.
I'm sure a lot of people feel the same. The A4 has progress in its DNA. It's been around India for long and it's been a success for us all these years. And I am sure in the years to come, it will be a further bigger success for us.
How has the brand new A4 evolved?
Well, ever since its launch for almost 27 years ago, Audi A4 has been doing extremely well across the world. As far as India is concerned, we launched this car in the year 2007, and from that time we have been selling a lot of A4s, and we have many happy customers. And this is the strength that we have, as I was mentioning in our strategy 2025. If we have happy customers, they bring us more customers. So I am sure the new A4 with happy customers will get us more customers.
Well, Veer, I'm waiting in anticipation to see this new car, and I'm sure so is everyone else.
Absolutely. Let's get to the moment we've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, the new A4.
First of all, the car looks just magnificent. I mean, it's gorgeous. It looks like you've kept all the elements that worked for the A4 and built on the rest.
Absolutely. It's an amazing car, and it's a stunner. And it comes in 5 colors. What you see is Navara blue. We have the car in white, we have the car in black, we have in silver, and we have in grey. Also, very important for me to mention the front side of the car. I'll get you into the detailing. So we've completely redesigned the front bumper. You have air intake going here, which is more aerodynamic for the car. You have very aggressive looking front grille, and you have absolutely amazing LED headlights. So combination of all three gives it a very gorgeous, sophisticated and sleek look, and that's what we wanted to bring. You just don't go anywhere, you arrive, and that's what Audi A4 is all about.
I mean, that just looks stunning.
It is. One of the design features that I want to tell you is about the sides of the car. What we've done is we've disconnected the shoulder line with the doors. The doors are completely redesigned, and this gives a macho look to the car. It looks very wide, and when you arrive the car and when you stop the car, you really arrive, as I mentioned before.
It's one thing I really noticed about the car. It really changes the overall look.
Yes, absolutely.
Even the rear of the car looks quite nice.
Absolutely. We have redesigned the whole rear of the car. You have very elegant looking LED tail lamps, and then the whole of exhaust portion is redesigned. The rear diffusers from end to end are connected through a aluminium strip, and which gives a beautiful look to the car. And also there is a new feature that we have added, which is gesture control boot lid opening. So what you need to do is just pump in your foot and this opens. And this is a feature that is smart and helps you when you're carrying luggage in both of your hands, and then you can manage the stuff very easily.
I mean, my first impression of the car, it's fabulous. But like they say, it's what's on the inside that matters the most.
Absolutely.
So let's have a look.
Absolutely.
Yes. Now, I get the familiar feeling of an Audi from the interiors, but quite a few things have changed as well. I mean, the first thing that strikes me instantly are the aesthetic changes. The black piano touch is very luxurious, and even the beautiful upholstery, they really add to the luxury codes of the car.
Yes, the interior of car is truly an Audi. As soon as you enter, you will notice how first-class comfort envelops you from all the sides. And I'm glad you picked that up. You really know your Audi. What we try to do is exactly what you said, retaining the familiarity of the car while upgrading it. And that's what we try to do with every Audi. We don't change, we evolve.
I mean, to be honest, I feel like I'm in a cockpit.
In fact, that was a driving thought when we were designing what we call Audi Virtual Cockpit. This is highly sophisticated, fully digital instrument cluster with 12.3-inch LCD screen, and highly detailed resolution and driver focus.
Oh, that's incredible. I can actually see everything in a glance.
From the technological aspect of the car, we adapted to the future. From the signature Virtual Cockpit Plus, which now comes with an added sport mode, the multifunction steering wheel, and the best-in-class infotainment system, including the next-gen MMI touch interface, the Audi sound system, the natural voice dial-out system, and the smartphone interface.
What is this?
That is Audi Phone Box. In today's day and age, where the smartphone is part of our personality, we had to take an account for it. All you need to do is simply place your phone in this specifically designed compartment and you're connected. It's also some USB ports which are for other purposes as well. It can also wirelessly charge your phone if it is compatible. And talking about connectivity, I would like to throw some light about My Audi Connect. It is nothing but one app for all things Audi. New features such as in-app customer offers, AR and book a test drive function widen the scope of app for prospective Audi buyers. For us, digitalization is a journey, not a destination, and we will continue to upgrade our services for our customers and fans going forward.
That is extremely thoughtful. What is this?
Well, this is what we call Audi Drive Select, which lets you feel you are driving 5 cars in one. We have a comfort mode which is perfect for less than perfect roads. Then we have a dynamic mode for tighter steering, which gives you a more response of the throttle and a very aggressive and sporty feel. And then you have efficiency auto mode, which is automatically adjusting the settings and where you can have a combination of comfort as well as responsiveness, and you can actually enjoy both the worlds together. Then of course there is an individual mode where you can do your own settings and you can have more aggression of the car and you can personalize your drive and you can drive the way you want.
This really is the all-new Audi A4, just stunning.
Remember when I was telling you about gesture-based boot lid opening?
Yeah, I thought that was damn cool.
Well, see this? This is the comfort key which can memorize up to 5 settings along with gesture-based boot lid opening. You can unlock the car without even taking out the key. It's absolutely keyless.
Wow, you've really gone all out thinking up all sorts of creature comforts. So good. Now, another major upgrade you spoke about is the performance of the car. How has that really changed in the A4?
Now, the biggest upgrade in new Audi A4 is its heart. It now comes with a 2-liter engine, which gives 190 horsepower and a whopping 320 Nm of torque, which is giving a fantastic performance and power to the car.
I can only imagine the sense of power and rush.
It's a 2.0-liter TFSI engine, which not only gives a great power and takes the car from 0 to 100 in 7.3 seconds, but also is very efficient engine.
That is quite impressive. It does seem like the Audi A4 is a meticulously crafted urban commuter. It blends design, innovation, luxury, performance, connectivity. I'm sure everyone watching this wants to get their hands on this baby. I can feel the anticipation in the air. So what can you tell us about the price range of this amazing car?
Okay, first and foremost, I couldn't have summed it up better than what you did for the new Audi A4. The all-new progressive Audi A4 range starts from 42.34 lakhs.
And there you have it, guys. Now all that's left for you to do is contact your nearest Audi dealership or visit audi.in and take this beautiful car out for a spin. And trust me, you're going to love it.
Yes, Sobhita. At Audi, we believe that future is an attitude, which is why we always focus on future-forward products and ideas. And we already are geared up for the future and going to bring more products starting today.
This has been an absolutely fantastic experience. You're building hype on hype, Balbir.
Thank you, Sobhita. It was a pleasure.
So there we have it, guys. What a fantastic start this has been to the new year. Thank you for being a part of the launch. As Balbir said, we will see you at the next launch. Stay safe, take care, and we hope you have a wonderful 2021.